Hey ladies, it's Deanna from thelivefitgirls.com, and today we have a 15-minute upper body strength workout. This entire workout can be done from warm-up, workout to stretch, all in just 15 minutes. It's part of a little series I've put together just for you that is on the blog and also on my app, The Fitness Collective, which has over 150 full-length follow-along workouts, just like this one. So if you like this workout, make sure you check it out. There's a 2-week free trial down below with a ton of workouts just for you. They range from 5 to 30 minutes, with most of them hitting right around that perfect 30-minute mark. So let's get started and warm it on up. All right, come on down and come into a plank. You know I love my full planks here to warm up those shoulders, warm up those arms. So we have a full plank right here. Abs are super strong. Draw your navel in. We're here for 30 seconds. Big inhales and exhales. Look to the very front edge of your mat here. Lengthen through the crown of the head. See if you can lengthen those heels back behind you. Draw your core in a little tighter. Really press the floor away. We're gonna shift it back into a downward dog in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shift it back and then forward. Back and forward. We're gonna really warm up those shoulders here. And the core. Remember, your core is always tight in every exercise that you do. It's gonna make each and every exercise that much more beneficial when you find that core engagement. 4, 3, 2 more. Come on, you can do it. You're nice and strong here. Last one. Find your plank position, hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. Whew. All right, those arms should be nice and warm. Roll it out a little bit. We're gonna grab our weights. So first exercise here, we're gonna be doing a hammer curl to an overhead press. Then we're gonna be doing some rear flies with our dumbbells. We're gonna bring it down onto the mat and do some tricep style push-ups. So we're getting the entire upper body worked in just 15 minutes. All right, feet hip distance apart, shoulders back. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. You curl, press, down, and straighten. Curl, press, down, and straighten. 15 reps right here. Make sure you're engaging that core, the rib cage knit together, those hip bones drawing towards each other, waistline is pulling in, feeling like you have an internal corset through your waistline. Exhale, pull. Again, finding those biceps right into that military style press overhead, which means those palms are facing in, staying narrow with that grip. Press and down. You've got it. Nice job, ladies. Stay strong with me. Soft little bend in those knees, making sure you're not lacked out. We've got 5. 4 more here. Press. Good. Stay strong for 3. 2 more. Press. Good. Last one right here. And press. All the way down. All right, we got biceps and shoulders right there. Now let's get those back muscles. Feet hip distance apart still. We're just gonna hinge down, so change into the side here so you can see. Stick that booty out behind you. Soft bend in those elbows like you're hugging a giant beach ball. Here we go. We open out to the side and down. Open and down. 15 again right here. Core is strong. Squeezing those shoulder blades together behind you. Keep your neck right in line with your spine. I see a lot of clients look down at their feet here. I want you to look at the very front edge of your mat, about 3 feet in front of you. Squeeze. Shoulders staying away from those ears. Squeeze. 3, 2, last one. And down. All right, I'm gonna put these off to the side. We're doing tricep style push-ups here, just 10. You can do these on your knees if you need to. Otherwise, try it on your toes. We're getting our chest and our triceps with this one. Are you ready? Here we go. Find your beautiful plank position. 10 push-ups right here in 3, 2, 1, down, press. Nice and narrow with those hands. Elbows reaching back towards you, staying tucked in by the waistline. Push. Again, you can always drop to those knees if you need to. 3, 2, 1, and down. Whew. All right, right back into it, right to those hammer curls with that military style press. No rest here. Again, we're getting everything done in just 15 minutes. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, curl, press, and down. Curl, press, and down. All right, ladies, keep it moving this whole time here today. I know it's hard, but you can do it. It's a quick 15-minute workout, and then you're done. That's it. Yes, you can. You can get a quick one in, and it can be worth it. No excuses of not being able to fit it in. Core is strong. Again, rib cage together. Hip bones pulling towards each other, waistline pulling in. Good. Make sure you're not arching that low back. If your core is super tight here, you don't even have to worry about it. Just make sure the core is tight. Those knees are slightly bent. Really press. Nice hammer curl to press. Here's 3. Come on, stay strong. You can do it. And 1 more. And down. Roll it out a little bit. All right, right into those flies. Again, I'm just gonna turn to the side so you can see a little differently. Big bend in those knees. Stick the booty out behind you, flat back here, looking at that front edge of your mat. Here we go in 3, 2, 1, open. You squeeze. Neck right in line with that spine. Core is still so strong here. Just as if you were to plank on the floor, that's how tight your core should be. Controlling this movement through those arms. You lift and squeeze. Just for 5, for 4, stay strong with me for 3, 2, last one, and down. All right, put those weights off to the side again. We have those push-ups. Again, feel free to go down onto those knees if you need to. If you're gonna go to those knees, make sure you find that beautiful plank first, then drop those knees down, then you go into your push-ups. Remember, narrow tricep style push-ups right here in 3, 2, 1. Down, push, down, push. Core strong. Drop to those knees at any time. You can do it. Come on, ladies, stay strong. 2, 1, and down. All right, shake it out. We've got everything one more time. You ready? 3rd round, this is it. I know you can do it. All right, let's go. In 3, 2, 1, curl, press. 15 right here, you can do it. Focus on control here. Find that mind-body connection through those muscles. Focus on those biceps. Focus on those shoulders to press down. Find that core engagement. Visualize that corset wrapping around your spine, pulling those abs tighter. That mind-body connection is really going to make each and every repetition so much more effective, and you'll see results much faster. There is a connection that we can make from our mind to tell our body to work hard, and you can do it. And the more you find that mind-body connection, the more you'll enjoy it. You'll really enjoy working out and feeling your body get stronger. I know you will. Press and down. Press and down. 2 more. And down. Make sure you're not arching that back. Last one right here. Press and down. Whew. Those muscles are feeling it. All right, let's get into those flies. Again, feet hip distance apart, hinging over from those hips, flat back before you even get started. Soft roundness in those arms. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. 15. Right here, you squeeze. Squeeze. Looking at the front edge of your mat. Again, about 3 feet in front of you. Squeeze. If it helps to put something on the floor to look at or find a spot on the floor to focus on, that can always help. Again, visualize success. Use markers and cues to help you. And again, work on that mind-body connection. I promise it will help. Stay strong with me. 3. Push it. 2. Last one. And down. All right, 10 push-ups to finish. Stay strong with me. I know you can. Again, do a modification if you need to. Just 10 right here. Let's get it done. 3, 2, 1, go. 10 right here. Push. Press. Core is strong. Come on. Halfway. You can do this. 5, 4, 3, 2, last one, and down. Whew. Oh my gosh, you did it. I'm so proud of you. Let's stretch it out. You deserve it. All right, let's take a nice little shoulder stretch. Bring one arm across the chest, stretch it out. Amazing job today. Again, the hardest part is showing up, and you did it. And these quick workouts, they can save you on those days where you just don't want to work out, or you find all the excuses in the book not to get it done, you don't have time. These quick 15-minute workouts can save you because you can fit it in and you know it. Just get your body moving, get started. That's the hardest part. Once you get going, that's the hardest part, and you can keep going. You're usually like, oh, well, I've already started. I may as well keep it up, right? So get the shoelaces tied up, put your workout gear on, and get started. Bring it down and switch. Remember, these quick 15-minute workouts, they work. They work, and consistency is key. So getting your workouts in, even if they're just 15 minutes, that consistency is going to help you, I promise. Let's widen those feet, clasp those hands behind, hinge it over, take a nice stretch, stretching out the front of the shoulders, the chest, even those legs. One more breath here. Bring those hands down to the low back, unclasp, let them get nice and heavy, and then just roll yourself up to standing. And you are finished. Thank you so much for working out with me. I'll see you next time.